First of all, you go to creativefuel.ai. It loads this wonderful screen. You click this button here that says install free Chrome extension, and it will jump you to the Chrome web store. If you click add to Chrome, it will ask you, hey, are you adding CreativeFuel? We can read and change all your data. That's perfectly normal. It will then install it. You'll get this nice little video here helping you get started. And that's you installing CreativeFuel. Now, as you log into your YouTube account, you'll see on the dashboard the CreativeFuel options in the top right-hand corner. And in the left-hand side, you'll see the CreativeFuel icon. Click on that. As a new user, it will build your profile. It identifies what type of videos your channel is about, sets up your profile so we understand who your rivals are, what kind of content you're making. Success! Your profile has successfully been created. Now, let's verify and update the info. Okay, what this has done is it looked at the channel and it says that this is a channel for viewers gaining practical advice, strategies, and real-world inspiration from successful YouTube creators and entrepreneurs to elevate their journey in a creator economy and build a thriving business. That's correct for this channel. So I click continue. It gives me here some keywords that would be relevant to my channel. So I have a look at them: creator economy, content monetization, YouTube business strategies, passive income. If there's any additional ones that I want to add, then I simply type them in either the box down here, or I add the ones that are being suggested by CreativeFuel: building revenue streams, scaling a creator business, online courses, YouTube content creation. And then I click continue. It says here, help us understand your audience. And it's identified that it's ambitious creators seeking financial success, individuals balancing personal life and content creation. That's correct. Motivation, achieving financial independence, making a living through passion projects. Correct. And the pain points of the people that would watch my channel is monetizing content effectively, understanding the creator economy, balancing personal life and growth. That's also correct. So I click continue. It suggests that other people in this field are these creators here: Think Media, Deep Dive with Ali Abdul, Social Media Examiner, Think Media Podcast, Alex Holmosey. These are people that watch my channel. If there's other creators or rivals that you want to add, then you simply add them here by their handle. Click finish, and your profile has been set. What this now means is when you go into CreativeFuel and you click inspiration, it now adds these here and uses them as jump off points to go and create content. You can change this at any point by clicking profile and editing the details here.